Hi, I'm Regan here at Stardog Gallery. I bet you wonder what's going on this Friday. Well, this Friday night from 6 to 9 p.m. is the Sights and Sounds of Augustana. Some photography, some music. Come visit us at Bucktown Center of the Arts. We have at least 12 studios, galleries, lots of cool stuff. Here at Stardog, I'm going to be making free for the public 3 different salsas. Very Southern Jack Daniels, an apple salsa, and a very spicy salsa. We're also going to have a guest bartender. That's Rob from the Buzz in Eldridge, Iowa. We're going to be making up some apple martinis, and I heard a mention of a chocolate martini. Thank you. Let's take a look at what you might see in Stardog Gallery Friday night. Everything here is for sale unless it's marked not for sale.